Hello friend, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to create a sidebar like this. It has a very beautiful animation, and when I click on this icon it give me animation like this and sidebar like this. It has a drop down menu. Also here, for example, we have three link here. Also we have one other drop down menu like this. We have a lot of option and also have a lookup option here. So also we have to add component here in the side. So this code is very easy. I will show you how to create it. If you want to become a good web developer, you can to practice video. You can't practice code with yourself, and first you can just copy and paste the code, and then you can know yourself and you can learn it very easy. So I will show you the code here in video. By skipping the video you can write this. Also you can find this code on my GitHub. The link is in the comment, also in description. You can find this code on my GitHub. Use it in your project and make easy your project. So I will show you this code very slow to you. If you want to write this from video, you can by skipping the video you can write this code. So here is the code. I will go very slow down. So this was the HTML code. Here we have the CSS like this. So here is the CSS code. We have root, one point, also we have body and many other. So this is the HTML code. I write it very clear and I write it very clean for better understanding. And I will show you the main.js code, the JavaScript code. Here is the latest code for JavaScript. You can write this code, and the JavaScript is very important. And if you are a developer, you can to learn JavaScript, and the person who has learned the JavaScript, it will not become a poor man. Uh, it is the person that to be nothing, to have nothing. So this was the sidebar. If you are a web developer, I recommend you to write this code by yourself, and it is very better for you. So this was for today. I hope that was useful for you. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you learn something from it. My English is very weak and I'm sorry for this. And if you're new, make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Make sure that you hit the like button and share these videos to others. This action can help me, and my your support I can make a better video. And also if you if you are a web developer, it is very for you, it is very good for you if you are uh, you also have an account on YouTube. it is very good for you to someone subscribe your channel. So this was for today. I hope that you enjoy it. See you in next video. Have a nice time. Goodbye.